Welcome to BISWAZ Growth Academy. EQ, educating kids for tomorrow's world. Let's begin.
What school does not teach you? Class 1 to 10. Day 3. Simple English speaking habit for kids. Does your child feel English study is a burden? Let's turn studying into a fun game today. I call this the live commentary technique. Tell your child, from today, you are not a student, you are a news reporter or cricket commentator. Tell them to simply narrate whatever they are doing in English, like sports news, like while drinking water, I am drinking water. While opening the door, I am opening the door. While putting on shoes, I am putting on my shoes. Doing this makes English no longer study, it becomes a part of their life. You join this game too. Don't catch mistakes, just enjoy. Instead of sitting at a table for 1 hour, this 5-minute game will help remove their hesitation much more. Try this today evening. Save the reel so you don't forget. Follow now. And to teach communication, public speaking, and sales leadership skills to class 1 to 10 kids, visit BISWAZ.com today.